Letter E. Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter E. I'm a vowel. I make the long E sound. E as in eel. E, eel.
Anything else?
Yes, sir. I also make the short E sound. As in egg. Egg. As in echo. Echo.
Enough of the echo, letter E.
Yes, sir.
What else do you have to say for yourself? I can't hear you, letter E.
That's because I'm being silent, sir. Sometimes I am silent E. When I come at the end of some words, you can't hear me at all. Like the words bake and cake. When you write these words, I'm there. But when you speak the words, I'm not there at all.
I'd like to hear more about this.
You can't, sir. I'm silent.
I've had enough of you, letter E. Fall in.